How to write fractions in Google Docs. There are several ways to write fractions in Google Docs, depending on your preference and needs. Here are some of the most common methods. Using automatic substitution, this is the easiest way to write simple fractions in Google Docs. You just need to type the numerator and denominator separated by a slash, and press space or enter. For example, typing 1/2 will automatically convert into 1/2. You can also customize the substitutions by going to Tools Preferences Substitutions. Using the equation toolbar, this is the best way to write complex fractions and mathematical expressions in Google Docs. You need to go to Insert Equation and select the fraction icon from the Math Operations menu. Then you can type the numerator and denominator and use the arrow keys to navigate between them. You can also add other symbols and operators from the equation toolbar. Using special characters, this is another way to write fractions in Google Docs. You need to go to Insert Special Characters and search for the fraction category. Then you can select the fraction you want and insert it into your document. You can also use the search bar to find specific fractions by typing their names or values.